Hi, this is Dylan again. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Tuesday on 21st of October. So let us first go through the euro against the US dollar. Right. So this what you're seeing here is a 4-hourly chart, and what has been happening recently is that price has been appreciating within the trend channel, a rising trend channel, and has been resisted at the bottom of a previous falling trend channel as well. Alright, but right now what we are seeing is that price is about to break above. In fact, it has already closed above the bottom of the previous falling trend channel and is working upwards right now. So what we can expect is that price will continue to appreciate and actually got resisted and to find a resistance at the price of 1.2971, which is a newly plotted final exhaustion level with Fibonacci expansion. Alright, so this is the first level that we will look for, and probably furthermore will be the price of 1.3000, alright, or 1.3072, Fibonacci retracement level of 38.2%. So that is for the euro against the US dollar. Next we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. Well, the Japanese yen, the dollar against the Japanese yen has rebounded ever since it touches the final exhaustion level of 105.53, and of course a Fibonacci retracement level of 50%, but then it gotten resisted somewhere at the price of 107.35, and it begins to fall. Alright, so we do expect the price may fall further and comes back down to the previous low at 105.53. Only from there we'll see what we can do. Alright, next we shall look at the pound against the US dollar. Right, over here I just want to remove all this line first, and right, to realign yourself again. Right, before that we are seeing a this is the falling trend line. Alright, so we do see the price has broken above, after which I plotted another trend line over here. Alright, it matches pretty closely for the bottom, for the low itself, and pulling it up, this might form a new falling trend channel. Right, so price, as we can see, has been rebounding and just waiting for price to close above the price of the resistance level of 1.6220, and wait for it to reach the top of the probable falling trend channel for a short again. Alright, and of course the stochastic has suggested overbought. Do know that the price might just eventually fall as it reaches the 200 moving averages. Right, that might be just another possibility. Alright, and finally the last the last of the four major currency pairs we're going to look at is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So what we're seeing again, the price is rebounding, or rather making a major retracement within a rising trend channel. So we can see that price has been appreciating within the channel itself, and right now it almost touches the top of the rising trend channel, and then we see a very strong pullback over here. Now we can still expect price to gain a little further, or probably just to wait for it to fall back to the bottom of this rising trend channel for a long opportunity. But anyway, the key resistance level that we are looking here is the price of 0.8133, which is the retracement level of 38.2%, including the final exhaustion level being measured by the Fibonacci expansion. Alright, so these are the levels that we're looking at for New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. I just want to bring your attention to a few other currency pairs. For example, the pound against the yen. Again, pound, the price has rebounded as well after falling for the past let me see, for the past 1 month. Right, close to a month itself, price has been falling and it rebounded. Right now it has been resisted at the retracement level of 38.2%. Right, zooming out a little bit, this level does look like a very strong resistance level as based on the history itself, as you can see over at this area. Alright, So what is going to happen right now is the price might fall a little further from here. All right, from the retracement level of 38.2% all the way back to the bottom of the previous bottom they made. All right. Next, we shall look at the gold. All right, gold against the US dollar. Again, it has been appreciating, and recently it has closed above the retracement level of 38.2%, which also signals that price might appreciate even further, right? Especially within a rising trend channel, as we can see here. Of course, the next level we're going to look at is the retracement level of 61.8%, the price of 1283.07. And finally, I would like to look at the New Zealand against the yen. Alright, zooming into the day charts. Price has reached a exhaustion level at 83.33, and we see the price has rebounded and got resisted at the retracement level of 38.2%. Alright, coming back over here at the same price of 80. The retracement level 30.2%, the price of 85.5. Alright, easier to remember. 85.5 itself does shows that it is a valid resistance level, as you can see here and here as well. Now zooming in the 4-hourly chart, alright, this might be a possible short opportunity. We can see the price has been there is a strong pullback as it touches the retracement level of 30.2%. Right, in conclusion, I just want to say that right now the market is in a very confusing state, or rather very mixed sentiment, and therefore with the increasing risk of uncertainty in a global economic slowdown, that would definitely boost demand on safe haven assets such as Japanese yen and of course the gold itself. And that is why we are seeing that retracement is going further. For example, the yen is still pretty strong. Maybe you can look at the dollar yen. We do see that dollar is still a little bit weak and yen is still trying to appreciate. That is why dollar yen is not able to rebound fully, and it starts to fall. All right, so these are the things that you might want to take note of, and be very careful with the or rather watch very closely to the data itself, because right now I think that the movement of the market itself will be very data based. All right, so anyway, that is all for today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again.